Welcome back, guys. Hope you are doing very well. Today we're going to learn how to conduct a social engineering attack. What we're going to do here, we're going to send a phishing email to someone. So let's start it. Click on this terminal, maximize this terminal if you can, and let me just check something before I do anything here. Just type symbol at. You can see on my screen here we can't type at here. The reason is that my laptop that I know I'm using has a GB keyboard, while this virtual machine that I'm using right now has a US keyboard. Yeah, so we need to figure it out first. Yeah, because when we're gonna do the email attack, we need to enter an email address here, and email address, as you know, we need to put the @ sign here. So let's just figure it out first here. Set keyboard map GB, it will change our US keyboard to Great Britain keyboard. Here we are. Now if you type at, you can clearly see it's just typing now, just for time being. So let's jump on our task. Just type command set toolkit. Usually we spell set toolkit SCTTOOLKIT, but here we are just going to write single T, so we will write down SCTOOLKIT. Press enter. Here we are, just scroll it down. You can see it's just taking us in the main menu where we can see number 1 social engineering attack, number 2 penetration testing, number 3 third-party modules. But today, as I said, we are just going to conduct a social engineering attack. We are only concerned about number 1. Enter number 1 and hit enter now. Here we are. So again, it has taken us the main social engineering attacks menu. There are 10 different types of attack that we can do right now. So number 1, hit enter. It will give us brief information about this attack and how you do it. Yeah, if you have time you can read it later now, but for time being I'm just pressing 99 to exit from this one. Similarly, press 2 and it will give us brief information about web attacks. You can read it, as I said earlier. Press 99 and exit from it. Number 3, number 4, you can have a look up to number 10, but if you just see number 4, that is saying create a payload and listener. Guys, this is very important. When we are sending a social engineering attack, we need to set up a port listener. For the payload listener, we only need just 2 things here. Number 1, an IP address where we're gonna set up this payload listener, and number 2, the port number here. So let's type 4, hit enter. Now type 2, hit enter, and now it's just asking us IP address for the payload listener here. Just give me a sec, I'll give you an IP address that we are going to use it today. The IP address that we are using that is 10.1.16.66, and press enter. It will ask us about the port number. The port number that we are using 443, and press enter, and it will take a few minutes here. So let's just follow that. So once it's going to finish it will ask a question here: do you want to start payload listener right now or later on? So either you press yes or no. But let's just wait it for time being. Here we are. If you just read the last line, it's saying, do you want to start the payload and listener now? Press yes. You can enter even Y. That's absolutely fine. Here we are. Hit enter, and again it will take few minutes here. Sometimes it's 2 to 3 minutes, sometimes less than that. Yeah, but let's just wait it. If you can see on my terminal, something is going on. It's just working on it. Here we are. If you just see the last line is saying in the red color multi-handed. If you see this sign, which means you are good to go here. So nothing wrong. You have set up your payload listener here. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna leave this terminal open like as it is here. We have set up our payload listener. Then we're gonna open another terminal and we will send an email from that terminal to a person. And let's see. Open the terminal again. And here we need to type a command that is cd root dot set. Press enter. What basically it's doing here, the social engineering toolkit where we have set up our port listener here is just taking us in the directory, nothing else here. So we have already created as payload or listener here. There is a file that's already created, so we're gonna just zip that file here. For that there is a command zip var www html apologize zip var www/html and now we need to type another command, which is service 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 apache 2 apache2 and start start. What we'll do, this command will restart the Apache server, nothing else here. Just hit enter. Now we're going to do the same thing that we have done in the previous terminal. We're going to type the same command, set toolkit, and it will take us to the main menu. And as I said earlier, we are just talking about the social engineering today, so we are not worried about other types here. So press number 1 and hit enter. And if you see number 5 here, mass mailer attack here, just number 5 and press enter and press yes. It will take a few seconds here, so let's just wait here. Here we are. So if you just see bottom 3 lines here, it's just asking here, what do you want to do here? Email attacks to a single address or multi-address here. We will select number 1 here. We are just sending an email to a single person here. So just press 1. Enter. And now it will ask us about the email address where we want to send this email. Let's type the email address. You might ask why I'm not copying and pasting this email address. The problem is that in Linux you can't copy and paste here, you have to manually type here. So let me just double check. Jimmy Jaime at structureal.com. That's good. And select number 2. Use your own server. And from where this email is going to. So we'll type export and at Press enter. So it will ask the name of this form here, so we can write it down here, support department. Press enter. Flag this message, yes, make this message important. And do you want to attach the file? Say no. Say no again. And email subject important account update. Or you can write down any other subject here if you want. Just press enter. And now it's asking us send the email message as HTML or plain. Send as HTML. Press H. Now we are going to type the email body. So what we will say, please download extract and run the update file from this link. And though we are gonna type the IP address there where we have already set our port listener of payload 10.1-16.66 file name. Close this tag. BR stands for break, that is used for new line, and then hit enter. Right, the meaning message, otherwise your certificate will automatically expire okay, and press enter. And press enter. And to end this message, just type capital END. Here we are. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna leave this terminal open, and now we are gonna pretend that phishing email has come to in our account. So we have sent the email to Jimmy, so I'm gonna log in my account as a Jimmy, and let's see have we received the email or not. So let me log in a different machine and log in as a Jimmy. Password, click on Thunderbird. Here we are. If you can see, we've got an email important account update. There is a bug in the asset that causes the phishing email to be sent twice here. That's why this email came twice here. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna click on this email. Okay, can you see? Update is highlighted, and that's the message. Please download, extract, and run the update file from this link here. If we click on the update, here we are. You can see there is a zip file, and this file is downloading. And you can see let's click on the show in the folder icon. Here we are. Let's click on it. Here we are. Oh, it's opening. Let's click on run. So guys, that's the way how you send a phishing email to someone's accounts. So I hope I made it easy for you. If you've got any kind of question or comments here, please don't hesitate and drop me a message or just write down in the comment section here. So that's it. That's the way how you send a phishing email. What you need to do first, open the terminal, set toolkit, and first set up the payload listener here. For payload listener, you just need to have an IP address and port number. And secondly, we open another terminal after setting up a payload, and then we type the same command set toolkit. It has taken us the main menu where we have chosen number 5, mass mail attack, something like that. Then send, receiver email address, sender email address, couple of questions, and then you can see we when I logged in as a Jimmy, we have received the email address, and when I click login, it shows that there is a bug. Obviously the email we have received that came in twice, that clearly shows there is a bug here. So when we click update run, and if you send an email to someone, if they run the email, their system is going to be malicious here. Thank you so much here. Thanks for watching this video.